My love for you is never ending, and no matter how hard life becomes, I will always be there for you, like you have been for me. I love you, darling. I love you like a bee loves a flower. I love you like the ocean loves the shore. I have a special chamber inside my heart. Nothing can occupy this but you. You can finish counting the stars in the sky, but you can never finish counting the love I have for you, because my heart is filled with infinite love for you. You are the sunshine of my life. You make me the happiest. Thank you for making my life brighter ways that you can't even imagine. I love you. I don't care about anything and anyone else as long as you love me. I can ignore the rest of the world if you are with me. I love you so much. You know that I really not have so much to offer you, but you need to know that I am always going to give you all I have. My heart is yours, and you can keep it forever. Even if the stars fail to shine and the moon refuses to light up the world, I know I have nothing to fear. I have my guardian angel to look after me, care for me, and love me forever and always. I love you live every day shopping. 7 to wake up someday with you beside me. Nothing can make me happier than a day that starts with you and ends with you. Thousand reasons are not enough to make me feel loved and special. Only your touch and smile can do it in a blink. Love you forever. My heart was filled with sorrow and hard feelings, but you came and filled it with love and happiness. I can never be grateful enough to you for loving me like that. My heart sealed your place in it right at the moment I met you. This place will always remain constant and intact. I love you so much. You are half of my soul, and you serve as the purpose of my existence. I will turn the world upside down just to be in your loving arms every day. You are my everything. I am so lucky to have you by my side. Your love is like a warm hug that makes me feel safe and loved. My heart only craves your love and hug. I am afraid of losing you because I am so attached to you. But then I think about how kind and wonderful you are, and I can't help but smile. I trust you, honey, and I have put all of my faith in us and you. My love is spreading like fire for you. My handsome, you have been a blessing and a wish to come true. I shall hold your hand for the rest of my life. Your touch is the warmest comfort I have ever found. Your voice is the sweetest music I have ever heard. Your love is the greatest gift life has given me. Love you, honey. Love sharing my life with you. And I can't totally pictures growing old together. It would be such a adventure, and I want only you to be my partner in it. This message is to remind you how lucky I am to have you in my life. Your absence breaks my heart into pieces, and I can't think of being away from you.